sembuza ngenye vibe. Siya kwenye into nge-15.
Yeah. Ikhoneni there. Who's there? What's the inspiration behind the song? The biggest question about Ohlezi bayibuza when people come.
Usala. The guy of Mahratman.
Yeah.
Magalalela le beat. He was like, hey, this is something engathi right. Ngavele nje ngathi kibe.
Like Celtic music.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Are they featured or are they on the song?
Hey?
Yeah, no.
Many people on the card.
Since ekhoneni dropile. Engathi siya dropa nathi emzimbeni asisatholi kahle.
Propaganda.
Each and every day. Uthola ukhona umuntu ofuna ukuyiclaim mara I understand because we had ama masters now.
The P brothers. Bakuphi nenda?
Limpopo.
Limpopo.
We wanna give you a verse of it.
Okay.
This song is dope. And awuthandi music
School fees.
bazokusaha boy.
School fees.
Bazokusaha.
Until you have your own things.
Yeah, wena just
Yeah.
yenza sure ukuthi why libangisaha.
I'm peeled.
Mabakusayina bathi sizokunika car allowance, house allowance, sikunikeze imeter up front. Kuwa kusuka kuthini?
Bayiza laba abangazi kahle.
Vele ngisho uyawazi lapha.
Basho
Ngibonile lokuthi ayabona ukuthi kuvalwa ngo2 bajabulile abantu kodwa manje sebayakhala ngathi sesifisha futhi.
Ngisho wafika uThixo.
Ayingolile izolo uthi abantu basafuna.
Khona la ngicela khona njalo ngathi ngo3. Baby, kwala. Amantombazane mfana angeke.
Opo izolo I was watching lapha.
Yeah.
Labantu bazile ngoma ama lyrics njengoba njalo.
I'm sleeping on waterline. Isia. I'm feeling no plan.
I got a blank, but some clackers. I am flung at the gagas.
Go ahead and write the waves like you always do.
Into make actually ukuthi muhle.
Yeah.
Sikwenze njani? Mshini makutshela ukuthi muhle wena.
Angitshela mina. Cool like in a way like ngathi ngibaby girl ngoba come and stop.
Hey mshini ngathi umuhle wena.
Yeah?
Mshini yambona ngathi ufuna ukulahla sandle. Soft.
Hayi.
Makuthinta soft bakuthinta nje ukuthi libhedi la chabi
kwandisa ubuso ngasiqulekeke.
into tapithi uso right in bed.
Njalo usicela sitholela ama-fan angcono kunalawa sicela i-condition hayi fan. Le khona liyashisa like. Sihleze khonini. Isifake please.
Otherwise my dog.
Bayigcina nini intro yakho?
What's good? Yeah, we're coming there my dog. You've been busy my dog. Angikwazi ukuhlela ngisho you've been busy, you've been booked and busy. Ntona bathi ngiyabheka left and right ule upostile untona mkhambani ntona khambani ntona. Tell me.
Lapha mfana kithi.
Mpapa kanjani ngikujabule kanje ntona yami?
Mina ngibona ukuthi ngibhizi mfethu ngibona ngathi ngiyanyiwa ngiyanyisa lento le.
Lamaphiya.
Ngiyanyiwa.
Imali phela imali.
No, I see first problem. I see ukuthi things are popping.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona I'm like yo what's going on? Nama yabona ukuthi wena uyabona ukuthi busy. Phela nami I'm also a spectator into my life. I'm like yo. What the fuck? But ke makuthi yasebenza lento manifestation. I think I used it this year. I said I'm going to be busy until December. I said it in July. And yaqala slow yathi 2 weekends per month.
Yeah.
1 weekend, 3 weekends. So now it's every weekend. Yeah, I wish I had a 9 to 5 now.
Ngiyakubona lapho uyaposta lapho ukuthenga manje sekudinga manje uma-tour bus nyana. Into nami iphila with level manje.
Ngidinga H1 first ngoba nala ngiyakhona first but I remember I think lento ukuthi ube artist you must also have an audience that can actually come with you. Uthole endaweni bakutshela ukuthi 100 baba abantu basePiters.
Oh okay.
Now I start, I walk like as a like ngingena kuma inbox. Say talk, excuse, let's go. What's up, man? Now and you can move. About to a point where when I went to Amsterdam, your host, your MC at that side, excuse lounge. Hey, Kovela through my taxi la casa talk.
Oh yeah.
Of taxi drivers that I talked to, I was like, hey, bro, how come I tell you no good visa? No, I tell you, I trip is so cheap. You're something in Amsterdam. Coffee 3 face. It's a la casa. This is love. This is love. People I know. Our Jota's corner. It's like now in King I with this shit. That's why we need a tour bus.
That's a vibe.
We need a tour bus. Anyway, sessions yes, Alamang via. We need a tour bus.
Yeah. We are. Mjini.
Bathi nivumbuka ba abanikani pass.
Mele bithi pass no.
And let's build the connect so proper and
Back place everybumbuka talk. But also this is us giving them, you know, the shine. What I by the episode if like we manifest this thing, would see if this episode drops, it will say place Vumbuka Trust. Shout out to Vumbuka Trust. See as we see you. Sekusela abanye nje. Engeke ngisho lutho ngabo ngoba kuze kuthiwa ngithe. Kodwa laphana kwa art and culture nenza ni plan. My artist wonke abuyile futhi la casa mfethu. Like everyone is working hard, bro.
That's true.
So it's time, and Highwood City, we deserve a free ride. We work hard. A lot of people are back in studio. People are releasing songs. It's always attend the album launch. You know, single launch. Econin.
And we're about to talk about it later on. Not now. But then otherwise.
Otherwise.
What's wavy, my wavy gang? It's your boy Aish. I'm paid to Mr. O'Breezy. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Mr. Gaddafi.
Hey, man.
Dlangamali.
Hey,
Sandy.
What is your match?
Never done that before. I understand, but Lennox. Is it your name or is it an additional one?
Asikistingo sasamagama yini manje mfethu ngubani konje ngubani le yalithandela James Mshini konje ngubani wena Jeremiah kuchini Jeremiah
Mshini
why you say it like it's funny?
Jeremiah.
Yeah.
Mshini. Very dog.
Yeah.
JJ Jeremiah as in like passport. No, go ID.
Okay. Hello.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you for it. Uthengele ithekile full moon.
Yeah, no, sengimnandi.
So great.
Uthengele people.
Uthengele le malini. Ah, easy Jawatata. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, uzwile mosikuthi cooler box ingena eyodwa ngaphandle kotshani.
Yeah, uzwile.
Should video stock ngaphakathi. Danko.
Abafika namakhadi abufuza swap la.
Awuswali madoda. Jimmy's Land Passage. Ayiwa.
Nje basilima.
Afuthi.
Hayi bafanele ngadayisa la ngingena ngaphandle.
Alright. Malini ngingeli.
Ngingela phela angithi lana mina people business yabo.
Showcase.
Ngingela zithenga. Kodwa khona ze 5 rand.
Wow, all right.
Okay. Amara share khona 10 rand khona 15 rand. Khona ne 5 rand.
Huh?
Card.
Black people business.
Abawujiki la mina. Nokuzele 2 rand. Khona le ngingela.
Uzobuya na 2 rand ikhona ngiyela.
Awujiki ujiya kanjani?
Ayicela ingila ze 2 rand ezi5.
Baba kasetshenzwa.
Kahle kahle.
Asiyabonga mfethu nathi siyasebenza lathi siqhubeke.
Ngisengashisa yabo sasithi kulekani.
All right. Danke bot.
Yabonga bafethu.
Sure.
Usibusise sonke nami nonke phakathi.
Nawo kanjalo mfethu. Oh la. Apha izwili content uzwili uthini?
Yeah.
Bawathengele bonke ekhaya amathikithi. Bazobagayi 1000.
5,000.
5. On.
Kaba, full moon, Bangat inside. So make sure you there.
Yes.
If you haven't bought your ticket, tickets still available.
Still available until 15.
Tengani get till 15.
15 18 250 put.
Exactly, that's what I want.
No VIP sold at the gates.
Yeah,
150 general at this moment. 350, 450 VIP. Yeah, until 15. Kodwa umuntu uzoyisiza mfethu fika soliphethe mfethu. Fika solithengile ungayihluphi. Fike early mshini yelento kufika late. Everybody please make sure ukuthi nge-15 you come through ngo-12 o'clock wasemini. Mawuvuka nje kuseni ilanga le full moon awuqali ngokuni. Cancela leyo date yasespur shiya phansi. Vala leyo shandisa uze lapha ku-full moon kudome kuzobe kungagodoli umuntu kuzobe kunganethwa umuntu. Uthini ngaleyo ndawo uthi asinetha Tom?
Masinekela asinetha.
Hayi. Hey.
But then for those with a nap at this time.
Uphula ama-chain manje. Yabona ukanethwa. Ukanethwa ku-Riyadh. Yeah, sinethwa this time bafowethu. Asasekhona amatafula. Ayaphela amatafula. Lawa abakhulile ama-Grootmans khuluma. Ama-Grootman awona ama-medical aid yabo lawana ama-investments. Aba baka-VIP. Asasekhona amatafula khona we-20,000. Ngazi noma ngawafunda yini lapha. It's gonna waste time. Just that. Think check is just a few. Ukuthi mapha khona. It's not gonna waste time, shini. Uqala udlula ukukhuluma nasikelele.
Ubhizi uthinta wena.
Ubhizi uthinta mina ngizokwenzani mina kuhleli lapha.
Mfowethu entertainer manje.
No.
But it's true.
Ma ngime-entertainile. Mina.
Yeah.
Oh. Ngifunda lo table. Namshini namhlanje ngathi unenkinga. Nah. Leli abantu amatafula bafuna ukuthenga late wathenge early. Khona le 8,000 li 6 seater. Namathikithi ayi6 4,000 per tab. 6 meals tickets, 2 parking ne waiter eshare. Bese kuba khona le 20,000, kuba khona le 50,000. Khupho amathikithi ayashintsha. Nama meal ticket ayakhula ne per tab yakhula. Khona 30,000 i per tab. Ungaphuzani 30,000? Abantu babishaya mfana. Per tab 30,000. Only 5 tables left per package. Okay, I Zivala. Make sure you come through.
Yeah, and today we're having a special episode. We have guests today.
What do we call them? Friends of the show.
Yeah.
Is it saying what it's in us?
Family of the show.
Family.
Wait, that's podcast and chill vibe. Like even up wavy. And by kakas la kaya.
Let's give my waivers a chance to
wavy
come
like
with
that.
Oh yeah. Except wonke umuntu phethe ku sessions ngicela mfethu nisikeze nje igama labantu family of the show. Manikeze itheme yabo ukuthi bangabantu abanjani. Ngithola angazi usizobabiza like ni starstruck cabanga abantu engibajwayele. Abantu engiphila nabo. Mara because they are dope, they are stars. Welcome. Acidic Loops.
Men in shades.
In the building. Are you guys ready? Come through, guys.
We've got Acidic Loops in the building.
Come through, guys.
What's happening, guys?
Wave.
Am I still in the frame? All right.
Hey,
Chalegas. Sanbonani baphuthi.
the crab, but
It's a sweet passion.
Sweet potato.
Yazi nje.
no, guys, but don't be humble. Don't be humble about it. Show your presence.
Athi ngibazise yazi ukwenzani.
Come on.
Khona phela mina I'm still a baby go sessions yabo. But when I started watching the old episodes, I watched the interview.
Yeah, I did.
Don't bring that energy because that energy You guys at the energy, we're fine. So we are feeling humble. This is what Shaila is sister. And who's the
Don't do that, guys.
Don't do that, guys.
Hey,
How was that interview? What was it like, Nje, before we get into this one?
Yabona nje ikamera nje face struggle
Enjoy.
no like yaziphela sometimes
Usawubona na umuntu ufake neyibuko.
Bengifaka maybe ngitsho mhlawumbe is feeling cool. It's feeling cool. Like it's like, yo, I'm taking this shit with my shades on.
yeah no but anyway yeah I see the globes in the building
Yeah.
Ninja and Buffett and Grant.
no saphila man
Ne.
100%
Yeah.
Come back.
Right, neti. Ukhathala kwayizwa.
Katala guys.
What was happening?
Yo.
Hey,
Yo.
indaba yayizo.
indaba kabani
Aish.
Yeah.
Dabaga Bani.
indaba kabani so
Belkatara ngithi yasho.
Qatar of one way khoneni
Kone, yeah.
single launch
Aish.
izolo
I was calling again abanye was calling abanye.
yeah
I was there. I couldn't like bese probably 3 months ngavele NPM but I got to akuzi the Globes khoneni. Ngathi
Phane ngiswele i-camera izolo. Ngifuna ukukushutha bo.
yeah.
Yeah, ngizokubonisa ukuthi awuyibheka isaga kanjani mawuthola ithuba.
Ay, man, it's a
You
long
were doing the most.
long as so no man lose night. No man. Mina nokusaka izolo.
Bo.
oh bethi
Nambe kasaka.
aw
Ayifuna ukuthi mageni.
Uyu umuntu bekahleli phansi mos. Uyabo uthi wena ubona
Ngoba uhleli phansi.
Awu.
Uphethwe yini? Ukhathela.
Lutho yimi.
Bobambile uzene chair manje kuthiwe nje. Okay nje. Okay libele. Wadansa.
Hayi.
So
kondozo yeboy
Labe bangebakala.
relationship yakhe on this December noma iyocala ngo January.
Ya izoqala ngoJanuary.
Yeah.
indaba kabani
Indaba kabani indaba zasekhoneni ikhoneni kwenza ukuthi udamba abantu
zasekhoneni
Asikadampani.
on hold
unethi umbeke ekhoneni
Usesebhi.
not ikhona.
Usesebhi.
yeah man
Right.
Zoza ngiphazamiseke kanti uyabona uDecember uza ngenye vibe. Siya kwenye into nge-15.
Yeah, of course. Oh,
Siya kwenye.
Yonyiwe.
Manje ngizoze ngithi ngaqala lapha ya bese kuthiwa yabona sekumele kodwa.
Amara kodwa phela mina understand ngizizwe kakhulu.
Yabona ongacela umuntu ukuthi ayolala excuse me nge-15 ne-speed.
hey
I don't think like.
Nge-15 uthi sesiyolala. Angeke.
Usuke njena kodwa. Kahle ngabe ukumoshela usuku. Ngabe udestroy.
So futhi ikhoneni le. Who's there? What's the inspiration behind the song? The biggest question ohlezi bayibuza when people come and talk about it. So who inspired the version? Why it sound edge for you guys? You know, what happened? It was sibe nekhoneni.
Ngathi akayichaze because he was the one owangifonela wathi mfethu start something like this. But bekanganayo ukuthi ufuna ibe kanjani via ama vocals.
Showcase.
But nje wovela wathi mfethu ngifuna ukuqala into eso. And I had to start the entire show. Mase ngimnika he was vibing. And mina ngaleso sikhathi I was like manje what is this? But
Without.
yeah. I have to be honest, but ngingacamba manga. I was like, hey,
Which one is this one?
angithi uyazi ukuthi
Ayiphume project vele isengafika endleleni zabantu kahle ngathi ngizabanikeza uthando.
yeah because phela sometimes yabona indaba ukuthi uma we artist mostly there's always a pressure yeah mhlambe ye hit
Yeah.
maybe a hit song.
Yeah.
Since you have to make it again. But then economy, like yabona, if you see abanye abantu ba progress, you can't be sad about that thing or mhlawumbe uphatheke kabi. You should fight with whatever that's happening. Energy yabo. If someone is winning, why not now win kanye nabo bonke abantu? So yeah, ngathi mina yazini bethi kunendawo esekasi yabo, NPM corner. I'm thinking, okay, economy yabo, slogan vele siyapusha economy. And then mawubuka indawo, it's beautiful, vibe, mfethu always yabo, everyone is talking about it. So mfethu nathi we are inspired to shit them one day maybe we wanna play that side, that's what's economy called. Yabo. But then nathi sense something yabo, to show ukuthi okay, we appreciate that place as well. Siyayibona, it's just that mhlambe silena sikhona ukusheshe sifike, but
see,
and it's
hey.
Then it happened like that in bed. I'm sharing voice note. I won't say, bro, I have this in mind. I'll call it something like, because very nami when it comes to music production, that's why we link up. So yeah. Then washaya. I mean, I'm saying the element from the first track singing is on. Damn, this is good. Don't let me fool.
And then another pull up.
Yeah, and yabo,
amena bengenza nje ukuthi angenze cause yabo what happened ngisendlini kanti kuzofika usaka the guy of Mafrotman makalalela le beat, he was like, hey, this is something engathi right. Ngavele nje ngathi kibele. Wathi ngithi ngatibona, but kuthiwe sikhulume ngekhona bona. Yeah, bona ukuthi uthi. Lo mchita kabani. Mase ngiveza secret yakhe kabani, and each and everything ayenzayo ukibele emic-ini. And once wahlala wathi uyabhala, yile singesifile. Kuba ile nto yeah, uba like mfethu mara ngathi nawe ube too much yabo, kanti le vela gibela hlanganisa uyezwa ukuthi uthe makasacula kunentwana yami yasekhaya ilasibona yasekhaya yabo. So ngizothini ngithe mangibuya sigede ufundela music ya enjoy le nto, yayithanda le nto yabo. Beka umrap u-acid kwamthena to ukuthi yenza yonke into,
showcase
ungabi just rapper, yenza yonke into ayinayo ayena uyabasa. Uthe makagibela usalka ngapha yena beka busy nefone abhala ubhali verse le verse leli
ubani ke balake
it's solo
yeah
it's featured in the song.
It's featured in the song.
Uthi makaphuma lona emic-ini ngeze umuntu athi emfethu this part ngicela ukuthi awuvule imic, there's something I wanna do. Ngisendela basic ngilalela
usema ngisafiki nje nami kusenziwa yonke le nto azifiki yazi
angithubi
yazi nje ngithi
easy man
I see you
khona niliphumile khoneni kacho. But not as MCs, bro. You must understand. Once you put a hit a Kaslako, then you must not be salele mover. Once a man is saying, "I'm going to kick us somewhere." Ngene ngayo ngoma ngisengiyazi ela kasi. Fing but trapping but trying to be sheba ithanda.
Yeah, and it's amazing to see ukuthi abo DJ guys, they are really pushing the song. Like, because hlezi ngithola ama voice notes, hey house dlula lana esinoma
bayadlala bro
yabona. So like nathi we were like amazed ukuthi hey I know abantu bayithanda as much as nathi ithandi.
Kunomuntu ofike okhuluma into engayitholanga ke ngekhoneni ezi. I don't know if ever udidwa ukuthi ubona ezinye intwana ayipushayo, but kunento ayibhaliwe lapha in Celtic music.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, are they featured or are they on the song?
Hey,
Yeah, ish. No.
make a pay for the card. Hey,
Never thought I'd ask question. It makes people like when the letter
Yeah.
that's wrong. What the fuck are you doing? What's going on now?
No, ukuthi
Ish. Yeah.
kunezinto ey'bhaye ezenzakalayo manje ekhoneni yabo.
Yeah.
And since ekhoneni idropile engathi siyadropha nathi emzimbeni asisatholi kahle.
Propaganda.
Each and every day uthola kukhona umuntu ofuna ukuyiclaima mara I understand because we had ama masters nawethu.
How does that happen though?
Hey.
Yeah, ngathi sesingene kwenye ngathi ngenele sound
Yeah,
ethi
Ish. Okay, yeah, no. Anyway, yabo, like this song, ne?
Hey.
We had issues. Sizokhuluma because it's podcast, right?
Yeah, it should because ngelanga sizwe is starting and then now it's gonna like
Yeah, so
right
like
now.
we had music, right? With the boys.
Yeah.
We been Hispana now, so like the studio for the,
Yeah.
Talent Records,
Of course.
Okay, then we did the music a lot, like Spanish Aspire, package vele.
Let's go send us to sinakhona record mafuna record.
Yeah, and since asathi Spanish by ukhohle kusho ukuthi Spanish shisayo Spanish.
Aish.
Yeah, like very, very nice.
Not just Spanish.
High Spanish.
Good
And
music.
Spanish by
Trust
uthi
me.
mawusilalela nawe like ufile like ukuthi why kwenzeka lokho.
Sure. Nah, Spanish intwana kuyophambili Spanish. Sibhaya. Kwenzakala.
So yeah. The thing is, intwana zasayina, right? Na record label. So my sign the record label. Si busy on that, like mabasa sign and nathi si busy ngani ukuthi sizo release something, which we did no Salk, because there is peace hunting.
Yes.
There's this thing esipushayo, a peace hunting. So it's deep house. That was
Mawungakhumbula bekumele ngabe kade yadrop something. If
Yeah, of course.
yeah, because besamba ngonyaka, it was supposed to be ukuthi angithi it was what 2020.
Faka ufikise la mshini.
yeah.
Peace hunting, the first peace hunting, right? 2021, 2. Yeah, but then come on, the peace hunting one, Hispanic kakhulu no Salk akada, I think 3-4 songs. Yabo. Then
Usake bangitshela ngimthola my talent.
yeah. So then again manje, if you wanna drop the sponsors big, she said nama complication ukuthi intwana sezisigning. Yabo. So now she said funeka sigo through i-management eyintwana manje to release our stuff. Well, you see, hey, asishaya dayide ngesahambe isikhathi to a point ukuthi okay, we're not getting answers. Ukuthi okay, why ukuthi mhlambe we can't drop music nani yabo. Nakhona futhi enye into mhlambe ngicabanga ukuthi inkinga besingakhulumi direct ne-management. Thina befuna mhlambe sikhulume neyintwana they take it to management, but end up ukuthi ingabuyi impendulo ukuthi okay, you guys can go on and release, or no, you can't. Uyabona into kanjalo. Which is what music, you can't say I can't release music engwenze nomuntu just because yena sasayinile now.
Yeah, you can just credit that person. Bro.
Yeah, you can just credit them.
Just credit the person's parents. Yeah.
Actually, we did get an answer. Neto kushutela kafuni ukuthi we did get an answer. Answer yakhona bekuthi
Khulume ba. Khulume.
Later, bitch. You didn't talk. That's not that.
He sent a voice note.
You don't have cash.
Achaza ukuthi kusamele alalele kuqala lengoma ukuthi is it good for ama freshman or not good. Izodayisa noma ngeke dayisa. I had a question mina ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi but angispananga nama freshman ngispane no Sal.
Exactly.
Yabo. So ngabona ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi sangaba nokuzwana kahle. Yabo. Mina ngumuntu oshesha aphume manje into yini.
It's so sad. It's so sad. Like we actually like coming up. Likas is coming up, guys.
Yeah,
it's coming up. Like when it comes to music, we are serious. We're doing something very nice, but we have drama in between that.
Yeah, man, and the unnecessary small type because I believe my collaboration into a artist. Like
bro.
When you could only just direct me with it. No, for you, ni push it, do this. Ungati mhlambe ungayi uthwena mhlambe let's say you must ukuthi ngenze ukuthi if ngizorelease ingoma mhlambe ne artist lakho. Let's say let's say anginawo amandla okwenza i-radio distribution. So but when it's a must ukuthi mele siyenze because I'm working with your artists. Like as if nathi we are that big. While we are not. Thina mfethu nje siwajita sekase esishaya inamba mfethu. We try out of our pocket whatever ding imali.
Okay, cool.
Uyabona.
Bakhuluma nesister ukuthi izashutha la. Ngamemeze kakhulu.
Yabo, so like there's no backup or anything. I'm told. So yeah man. Yabo, so then kuba nalezo zinto kama complication, but then at the end of the day saba ne solution.
Conan is out. That's what we want.
So then we got a call from Major Road. It's okay. Sizingoma lana ene voice ye artist lethu. Yabo, but we don't see the credit. Yabo. So what's going on there? Yabo. I received the call.
Okay.
Yeah. Then okay, ngafuna ukuthi yabo vele mhlambe kube nama conflicts yabo. We had to talk it through naye nje mfethu njengamajidi.
Yeah.
Yabo. So kwaba nama options ukuthi it's either we do the right thing, we credit the artist, change the cover art, even an artist labo since ingoma idrop ithi 2024. So yonke ingoma enabo ethi 2024 it should go like through there. Yeah, but as they are now signed to Major. So then we did that to get to Sahamba sa Kuduma net distribution, send them emails. Then I change cover art as basho. So we used the Kamale into Anna because into Anna Zakusalka. Like the label the beba hamba ngayo asela before he signed.
I'm a good man.
No, chaotic music.
Alright.
Indwana ebezispana nayo. So Salga was trying to sort lento yomsindo. Akwazi ukuthi ngavalele ku music kama abafowethu just because so you should release it. Nisebenzise le gama le chaotic music.
Okay.
Because phela si stuck nangaphi peace hunting ayikhona ukuphuma. Yabona. And the feedback ebantwini is actually really nice. Like hey, guys, we waiting. Now we can't even explain kwenzakalani because singaze sibe nama problem later on. We have no one beside the management or whatever. We are just the two of us.
Yeah, so guys, City Globe sitting in management. Please, it's just the two of them. They pick these guys. So, a proper one, by the way. A proper one.
A proper one. Ngiyalithanda.
Yeah, a proper one because
abantu bahlezi bathi bapush management. Ngamanager artist but uthola ukuthi I don't actually see ukuthi akana idea
manager.
Yeah, akana idea ukuthi what is managing an artist.
Yeah.
So yabona nje mawi upcoming eli kufuneka liphathe yonke lento. Uya manager, ufuna udile ne promotion, administration kini. Yonke lento mfethu ufuna amagigi, ufuna
umsebenzi wakho.
Yeah, umsebenzi wakho, hey kuthafu jo ngapha ufuna uspane jo, you need cash, music ufuna imali, you don't have cash.
Abraham.
Yabona. So
let's come on later manje sisho ukuthi music thingini
yabo. But Kapush, machita mfethu, you don't stop because khona into onganayo or what? Because at the end of the day, it's push passion.
Yeah.
Apart from anything, music.
We do what we love.
So yeah, right now Koneni is doing very, very good for us.
And there's good news about it.
Music videos,
yeah, you have to. Anyway,
Actually, good news.
Avuthi sewuyithanda kodwa.
No.
Hayi hawu. Kukhuphuka ram. Uhlala kusho wathi kukhuphuka ntana ungabayeni. Oh. Isithini into ezimnandi.
Why likusese khona leyo drama yabo leyo. Ekseni ngithe mangivuka mina obviously vele hlezi enza le izinto ze talking mina uyangazi mangangibekela iPC ubeka izinto zokukhanda music phambi kwami shayini ukukhuluma nabantu it's something engithula
awungathi sekungiphaphela kanje wena ungitshela wona
angithi
siyazwana
yeah understand so
okay ngoba bayazi labo ngabajwayela ukuthi udelela kanjani mhlambe bathi uyastep
angiyahlonipha vele anyway uthe makangivuse kusena ngitshetheshe mfethu awufunde la there's this guys abayibiza ngokuthi EP Brothers actually bezwe the song on TikTok yabo then ngena kulezinto zakho bamthinta ukuthi mfethu we wanna give you a verse mfethu
okay
this song is dope
wow
but manje ingoma seyi
it's fine. I know people are riding on scooter baba uzowona wonke umrap uzombona nami ngize ngifika nginikeza iverse
awuzothola
angikayini iverse yabona kula ngizozama indlela nengisendele iverse mayihamba le eyabo ngifake le yabo la we brothers in EP Brothers
it's the P Brothers
the P Brothers bakuphi nenda Limpopo
lekama lelo belingihlula from
Machida nje ngathaka limlembiki now because akasipana nabo King Monada
actually this guy is maba yizo lengoma ni ngizwile xa ngithi the change of the sound mina ngumuntu ondide kakhulu even before I'm saying I was everywhere in that Limpopo that sound you must find a way to sell it to those guys and they would love it bro
because vele mbethu like uma uthi yabuka ipusha khona ngale lezinye indawo more than here because kunale ni page nyane last post akada but new age amapiano so from there
it's been pushing
it's popping
now we need to change the traffic sees the corner
we even have Ulavi on the there's 2.0 Econin 2.0 that will be coming out soon.
Oh yeah.
We have La Vie
2.1.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ngikhuphula mfethu mina anginayo manager ngiphukwa ngathi nginemanager kodwa ngibona
hey too much
ngiyikhulume 2.1 ngiyangena
straight up so
apa congratulations bro like sanibongela kunezolo man ngize ngasho ukuthi into enhle enconywa mfethu this was beautiful kukezwa nje kasi mfethu kuthiwa nje single launch mfethu sayigcinile le shandisile you guys are opening people's eyes if the song is out and it's doing well support it support it give it life
and the energy is all
that was nice bro
when I heard when people never sing along I can't jabulile
uqala ukuzozala la ikhethi phela ngomnandi
ikhethi
namanye amasound amaningi yabo mina nje khona ngizwa ithi le ngathi ayangula eleyangihle
phela mawukhanda that style can you say the name again
which style
then ngitshela
Limpopo
yes funa ube lapho ngokomqondo
liyathula legama kanjani
ufaku uthi Limpopo most Zulus are like that though
and sengisaba uyabo nje manje ngiyasaba ukubisho cause
hey yeza Limpopo ziba offended ngoba phela nami ngifundele ngenkani ukuthi Limpopo yes but nami ngakhula ngithi Limpopo I think that one sounds nice than Limpopo
and bengihlala nomuntu obuya khona
ucishe wathi ubonile nje
wow
that's isibuzo sakho mfethu noma right
shit
yabo and lesihlezi silwa njalo
no bafuthi yazi kancane uhlupha kancane ubhoya uthi kancane usithi kancane naba ngihleli ngenye position yabona lapha camera ngasuke ngavili kahle
how mshini angathula nje vele ungafeli
ishindo angangenza nje mshini mfethu yeah
bohlala ne mjita waselimpopo
limlim wow
and yes and bekahlezi ashuthi ayinawe bafo
Untlala masiko.
Hayi nawe bafa. Smara mina ngikhulumisa isiZulu ngenkani kodwa wena uhlule ukubiza nje igama lakamthamba kubona.
Guys, America ngeke sifike sifundise isiZulu ngenkani. Ngeke ukwenze lo. La South Africa sinjalo isiZulu sifana neEnglish eAmerica isiZulu.
Yeah.
Sangibachaza bathe ustabona ukuthi I can speak your language but why do we speak your language? Kukhona isiZulu.
Exactly.
isiZulu saziwa yonke indawo hayi ukuthi sisho ngenkani
ngani manje noma sisikhuluma isisuthu bese kuba isizuthu mina yiko
ngisho bese manje bayahleka ngisho nani
mina mabahlelela kujabula khona lethi shit
bese siyabuya ukuthi yabona uyaginqa
ngihlolohanya ya manje
ngihlolohanya
ayikhona nezami izingihleka njalo ngiyakhuluma wonke amagama nethi bayeza ukuthi
ya bayeza wena
awufuni
awusiwa lawo
bodwa imani wangikutla fast right kimuzulu uhlala masipho le ngayifunda kuqala le ngithlala masipho sasintwana nontwele
uya understand kodwa ukuthi lento engathi ayikho right isashesha ukuyibamba
it's catch
yeah until the first word oyaziyo ngelanguage is vaka
nami nginelaba engenza show
believe
wanyela
leli ke ngikhonlisho mara ngikhe ba le yabo le ukuthi ikhekhe yini lelo ukuthi ikhekhe mama yabukela
ngayisho
akodwa ngeke wo uyazi ngisazi inywana la ngihlekisa cala ubuliso ithini inywana oh yindo
wena ngathi ngathi ozozenze
yalumana ngale nto okhuluma ngayo
umnenke noma yini
but I office akuzimzansi mfethu ay there's nothing you can do music ufika ube namandla lapho ukuthi ufike usunite mfethu ayibona into leyo
link up
hayi mshini ngeke cela umfundela le prepare angibuza ngayo
No, not everything.
hayi this is a podcast ufuna usifake radioing
No.
musical chain bambani yonke lento sizoyibuza musical journey production style inspiration creative process challenges and overcoming DAW and plugins mixing and mastering collaboration future goals music industry the role of an AI music production what the
shit you on the road
I think we spoke about all of that
Yeah, we get a specific question.
we spoke about all of that the chain in the music industry do you want to be signed
no
why
we just need
I need stealing rice
distribution
we just need a distribution deal
a distribution deal
yeah
I think that's more likely
highlight him first
phela no sign uyahlukana
What do you think
ama
music-
contracts they always differ yeah khona that's why ngithi kuyahlukana ukuthi you are signed nje but kanjani
dependa ngecontact yakho
yeah contract yakho
kanjani
angeke wasaliphayisa sengikhulile manje
angeke kusayo
bokunotice most of the time kuba le ntwana nezisana ama-recording ngaphandle kwabazali babo bese ikhalela yonke mina owakhalela ukusayina nje mfethu ngithi wasayina mos what are you saying
yeah exactly
and into enjalo ayikhulumeki boy
usayinile
uzokhuluma umthini ngoba ngufa
signature yakho ikhona it's done
signature mabobo
wenza into uyazi kodwa mase seyenzeka ngendlela obonayo ukuthi buyitsho ukuthi ngiyeba ngenzeka so back to that
but yazi mina ngesikhathi ngisasigele anyway bengifunde Boston
yeah Boston Media House
ihlangene neSoul King
oh shit
there's this guy called Kudo scaling, yeah. Bekui lecture yami. Yeah. This guy wangifundisa nje a simple thing.
Yeah.
Wathi either way uyathanda awuthandi music
School fees.
bazokusaha boy.
School fees.
Bazokusaha.
Until you have your own things.
Yeah, wena just
Yeah.
sure ukuthi why libangisaha.
I'm building
something.
Khona ukuthi masuqedile ukusakho. You have muscles to go back.
Masingaba honest. Mabakusayina bathi sizokunika car allowance, house allowance, sikunikeze imeter up front. Kuwa kusuka kuthini?
Bayiza laba abangazi kahle.
Vela ngisho uyawazi.
Basho njalo yakutshela kucela kufike leyo tolo Taylor wayaje bagenqa. Banika mina imeter.
Idlada.
Show them.
Bese uyakhala mangabe sebathatha imali yabo seyiphinda phindile bese uyakhala. That's it.
Uyakhohlwa manje.
Siyakhohlwa ukuthi wena mfethu yabona.
Manje wena bebona imoto.
Lento mfethu yazi ungayibheki lekutheni ma meeting mina mfethu ekhumula 2021 when I had own session in Tembisa where I had my own studio. Bengibatshela noma ngibaphakela mina ngithi le plate lami leli nengenzeka 30 rand manje. Kodwa mase ngi-invoice 200 le plate ifana.
And yazi into engiyibukile ka music mistake isiyenza lapho like especially masisazama ukubuilda singabasekazi not invoicing things ukuthi or senza ama agreement yabona because
just vibes
studio vibes siphelele simnandi phuma ama hit yabo but aniyibuki ngale business side ukuthi what if this song makes it.
You guys so we chinks the country. I feel like once we start having that conversation, even when we're producing music or when we're creating, uzobanale mindset which I am not just making a song.
Yeah.
Me and these guys have an agreement. We are creating a project that's going to make money. Guys, artist true artist, no business, no. That's the only thing I should time. What on the 30 rand manch 200 later because now you don't have food. Some people come to studio without food and you're born so lambi even though you can handle yourself we're right to lines was a car but maso lambile the energy drops
and like
melu span that's why mina ngihlala ibuthi pani no lunch balengana phela esipani noma ngathi1 makuyi lunch ngiye noma kuthiwa bekuchitheka amanzi la wazi wathi isikhathi sami se lunch wabona after lunch kekho ngitshela ukuthi so ukudla kubalekile
kakhulu
kubalekile thina sifocus embombosheni kakhulu but I'm happy ukuthi kuyo yonke lento yenzakalayo kuphuma ingoma efana nabo Conan bro let's stop stop kuyo yonke le mess le
mix up everything
ifana naye NPM khona kuyo yonke le mess yasemafred yoni heroes awacabanga mfethu ukuthi emafred kube nje nendawo leso ongeke uzicabanga
emafred
lento eyenza ukuthi kuze nje kube khona bo economy that appreciation
ukuthi kusebra
this is big
yeah
so the song now mele be big vele yalinga
na big futhi khona lego
actually
but man
mina ngizoyisho ngoba abantu basaba ukuyisho yabo
say it my brother
phela la Pitratif this is the only place that nami ngingasho ukuthi ngeke ungitshele ngendawo yakini I have NPM
yeah of course ihlobo zakho za December
exactly
mina ihlobo zakho za December mangingazi ziyazi bazo intwana asoshaya ipia angeke so ngithi konje ngishaya
since ngenza ama video nyani izolo yabo
yeah
ngibuzwa na umuntu wala Pitratif la ngidineke khona ngibuza ukuthi yo kuhle la ukukungithi yes ngise NPM wow yazi angase ngafika lapho ngikumele ufike
phela NPM ifana ne theme park people come to see it yeah uthi I want to see it yo
because ngiyakhumbula nje ku TikTok some of the videos la be wa trend khona la phakathi hayi bebakhala phela
uthi I want to see that uyithole zodakile I know
yeah ngoba iyasho phela nengoma ukuthi solala la
That is a vulongo too. Ilonchwa ngalelo la. Yeah. Ipleniwe le. Yeah.
Wakhulelelana.
Kona kwamla ngalala.
Yabona basiza.
Bofuna ukuthi mi Lupsin, uzokuthi oppo wala.
Uzwe kabi. Wena uyathanda ukuthi
Yini ogcina pheka.
Actually wena uzizwa wena ngathi uyabiza ngishongo.
Siyabanga legama la Gaddafi mfethu.
Adiye.
Ani mina ngalitwist ngathi Gaddafi. Sengelakho.
Wabonisa ukuthi ngubani ofundile ukufila.
Hayi lalela, ngabona ukuthi ngeke ngisongibhizi ngibangikama mina. Creating my own out of something that is mine already.
Aish.
Nale gama la oppo kube wena wazi ngalithatha hey.
Ekonjoni scam vele.
Hayi Akasukhuluma kanje brother man. Mina scam. Yeah, yizo lokubhike
Soldier man, yeah.
But otherwise, usuyiphethe the mandate of MC. Bengibheke enye video kada busy da.
Mara wena bucabanga ndomuntu yamazi yazikhuluma yena.
Ayiphethe.
Bona phela
Usho ngibambile taka.
Yeah, phela ngithi yakhumbula ngikhala ngithi like abo MC abayeke lokushaya amahashi even bangabo.
Oh.
Yeah, so angisho bosha amahashi.
No ndalele, yazi ukuthi why usho njalo. Uyazi ngiyazi Tempo. You know, ngikhuluma ngiyakuthola ukuthi come on. iTempo ngiyazi ukuthi you count. MCing is counting.
Yabona, abantu I think they miss that point. They think about MC is just bamnanda bafana. No man, you count because funeka communicate mina now. If you between uyayazi mina ngu DJ, then kuzophuma into emnandi for no MC.
Ngitshela ivari ke lento eshona.
Yabona.
The first person who made it easy for me before, because auntie, this is what do you call this? It's not a marathon, but it's a contact sport. Magu MC, not DJ, corner lanzo, bouncer corner. It was easy when I passed with you.
Yeah.
The first time MC you corner and you were playing, you heard me and I'm just mang peg. So I communicate like that. Some DJs feel like I don't pass me. So okay, my phone MC. When's an MC? Ngiyadlala ke mfethu ngiyadlala ke kukhona guys ngimhlebi nawo khona
phela usuke naye yabona vele asakule muntu ukuthi shayinama
yazibangwa yini ibangwa lento ayishoyo ukuthi abanye abayenzi lento ukuthi ba notice ukuthi DJ wenzayo fanele umbone ukuthi manje is in between something, there's a space, fanele uyazi nale ngoma.
Yeah, exactly.
Uthi kule ngoma le khona la kana vocal khona. Umunye
That's when I pop in.
Athi yizwa yizwa imitha ukhuluma over imthandazo.
Yeah, uyabona like
people are singing along, bro.
Uphula lo bomnandi.
Kan ngabe uyabagqugquzela ukuthi phambisana ama voice. At that time ngabe uyasho guys sing along, let's go. Let's vibe. Abo but ngiyabonga mfethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Truth vele bit more MC, you must learn to read the room.
You read everything, bro. Even Magnus time.
You must know
you must notice
know
him
your
fast.
audience, yeah.
It also cool. Magut security I'll advise guys move this guy legas also khathela abantu njani because ukutaka umuntu oyi1 crowd ya move kabi get intwana and kuba nzima ukuthi kuze kumiwe straight so ukudlulana enye into kwathola ku group wethu manje wakudlulana ngaka namuhla ubabaze
suke kumnandi udaka umuntu angakaphuzi
kodwa
ke ayifani
no friends
and yazi ukubhlungu ukuthi mawungaphuzanga udaka ukudlula bonke abantu abaphuzile
badakana ntabuzi
angunderstand
izolo ngifike ngo11 la ngibuya ngisoba so bengiphuza amanzi the whole day mangifika even stress nonke mangibuthi ngizizwa ukuthi yangidaka leyo feeling le
wagcina daka
no I had to azange ngidaka ngithipsile
wasengiyafaka
wathenga nobuthongo
12 1 2
4 hours is enough dog 4 hours you can get drunk la ngabo 12 ngifike ngo11
you can get drunk but
more serious nje
Bonile lokuthi ayabona ukuthi kuvalwa ngo2 bajabulile abantu kodwa manje sebayakhala ngathi sesifisha futhi
sheshe wafika uThixo
ayibonile izolo ukuthi hayi abantu basafuna
khona la ngicela khona njalo ngathi ngo3 hey u2 hayi ngeke
enephelela kucala ukuba mnandi khona
yo mase sovalwa
mnandi lapho hey akusahambeki
unless ubambile kusho ukuthi uzohamba nawo vele makuthiwa kuyavala uthi asalisamba sikavala
onyabamba
angikhulumi ngento ongayazi mina la angikhulumi ngomuntu ayikuthi phela ngamajitami you know that musu ngibuza yini lonto ngibuza yona
Hey.
konje ngimani nguwe noma
Awu,
Hey, uza-expose.
awu. Akuthini futhi. Angazi ukuthi why.
uthe ngime masinyane
No, mina
ucebile wathi ngithi
no mina bengishela ukuthi ngoba manje yabo ngathi so
no way
Ba.
man. So now one last question for me yini ongayitshela umuntu who hasn't done music ukuthi yo bro you can do it what can you say to umuntu kanjalo
ongakaza uqala
like-
osafisa nje ukuqala.
yeah uthi nje you know what ish lento lena ngathi ngiyithanda
Yeah.
what words of encouragement
Hey. Stay focused.
all right
First things first. Yabo. Ungabi nama expectations.
Mhm.
Yeah. Second thing ke badleke kakhulu.
no expectations stay focused
Yeah, stay focused
and you should be relevant.
yeah
all the time. Do your research. Now we artist.
but you guys have been relevant for a long time noma kuthulekile kungabonakali
Yeah.
manivela like it's not unenye shelf life ukuthi we expect music from you all the time I said hey ngathi a break khona ngamunye ngibonile abhala choose macala ngathi omunye uthi uthathe a break 6 months from music I think it's time to get back into 6 months that's not a lot of time singane kabi you can take 2 years
Kuphela nje. Yabo njengami nje makushintsha momentum like ukuthi
Uthole
yeah
sekufanele
ufuna
umuve somewhere.
yeah like it's
6 months ayishayi.
kuphelile to
Yeah.
producer mhlawumbe once in 3 months.
ungabala amalanga ay8 production in 1 year
Yeah.
Uyabona sure but lapho isipana sini good thing
Yeah.
ukuthi since siduyo kanje phela isipana should go on. If mina I'm stuck ukhona the work continues. If you stuck ngikhona isipana siyaqhubeka because once wangena kwa music akufuneki bese uya relax.
no
Awu relax na
And ijuyo. Lekayisho yazi.
Yeah.
Kunento engifuna abantu bayiqonde bo. Kunento engifuna abantu bayiqonde. Ake sichuzane kahle manje ngesikhethana. Khethe umuntu right yabo.
yeah
Ni understand. Githi kuba simple because siya understand. Yabo. Yingakho mag-DJ most of the time usunotice ukuthi niku acid yenza njani.
yes what it does best
Cause siyazana ukuthi okay yes ngiyakwazi ukudj but akusi into engiyithandayo yabo.
yeah
Mina ngizithandela production kakhulu so kumele nginike yena that space understand now uyazi ukuthi okay mina ngimuhle kakhulu mixing and mastering pro
Show Christine ezazini.
and
awukutshengisa abantu amehlo kayiwayo uzoyibisele uthi
La Christine azusho umkhakha ngokuthi ngempela.
Some Stevie Wonder was
yazi mina ngicabangani ngicabanga ukuthi maybe the out engigadayo yabo.
oh shit wow no say
Manje sengiyakhumda man impintshi yami lena akusiyo
Yeah, but I shall be umkhakha dokhi.
qualifying work for the guy
Ulalela phela.
qualifying work for the guy
Yeah.
ngiyibamba lethi
Ngibona ndoda. Shaya Christine.
yeah yazi ukuthi nayi question guys le akusi ukuthi opho yapapa niyazi ngiyapapa but in fact uthi like learning question but with an experience that is starting game
Okay.
mawuthi angena nje shop umbona umuntu kubuka ngathi
He knows you from somewhere.
fuck is this guy doing man
Yeah.
oh man hey oh boy sure fuck I don't know
Yeah.
yazi mina nginaphi
phela ninedala yaqala kini le
mina senginalo iphilisi laloko yabo
Yeah.
qala bengihlupha lento benginokuba like umuntu ngazela but ngase ngiyakhumbula ukuthi hayi phela I'm an artist.
right
I understand. So vele mina ngeke ngimazi but yena uzongazi because ingoma zethu ziyahamba and mazihamba umuntu uyafuna ukwazi ukuthi ngibani lo la.
they put a face in this
Yeah, yes, you understand. So simple nje ngabelong Lupsin show mfethazi simnandi life yabo mase ngisukile ngiyazibuza
iba njalo ke dog kanchazela kanje imnandi kunjalo ke uthi lubzini umuntu bethi mina ngifuna ukuthi manje sengivele start into so uthi solo angikwazi uyangazi so
it's a personal name
Tan age
yeah
so like no vele angikwazi but then I know you know uma ngithi so sengiyakwazi lapho
yeah sesibiza nangigama
sengiyacabanga vele angikwazi
Shane
vele
number
songiphatha ngestress singaya kuseni udangiyazi igama leyo niyangazi come on relax media age
media age
masikhulu sonke dog awakhe
solo
ngihlale ngakhumbula
solo
uthi tuzasihambele spouse umuntu hey mfethu nikhipha nini
elayinini ethilini to dog
mina advise nginika yona manje igcokele shandi sigcoke with respect and love it because that's what you do so it's gonna happen it's gonna happen go into the first few days ngizongitshela mshini uyamazi into athi that's all sisukile say on bra always give vele ngivela ngama video sometimes ngibona ngisendele video ngishuthiwe athi uyatrend ngale TikTok ngithi hayi ungathi ngiyatrend ithi ngibonile because umuntu ubona ivideo you-want athi ayatrenda ke le
because now ucaba ukuthi you have motion
ayuzitshothiwe ka big motion hayi ukubona nje
iyathusa le nto hey
umuntu akusendele TikTok fethu akubongise uyibone ne lokuzani i-tag name yayo loyo uthi uyacheck uyithola ivideo yakho uthi
vele nawe thayibo
Poppy X ngathi uzobuya Poppy X man ngipost adala so wina nga uScott uzabuza athi hey ngifollow wena follow I Scott Maphomo hayi cha bathi mawamnika uDecember bathi hayi owakho Scott hayi nami ngiyamvuma talk I Scott Maphomo uDecember ngowakho hayi yey wena hayi khosa bathini wo so thola nomuntu ehambele ethole nathi bathini thingaka bona
sithi nale dance yakhe le yabona nje uthi mawungene groove mfethu abantu abaningi bashaya yona nje yabona hayi i-wave
yazi lento music ukuthi bafethi ibhlungu kanjani apparently kushuthi kuno my sister bekaqhashe ngaseroundini yabo hayibo ngibona uposte ivideo yakhe udlala le ngoma khona udlala le ngoma khona but akazi ukuthi ineighbor yakhe
uyoshaya le ngoma
oh stop
and yazi ukuthi kuhlungu kanjani le part yokuthi khona soyicalile le topic sekumele explain uyazi ngibani oshaya ngoma you have to explain manje
uthi yimi
uzoqalaphi uyayibuza ukuthi ngiqalephi mara explainela ngithi yimi
ngenhlanhla kusilo makhelwane wamkhulumisa cabanga mfethu uthola umakhelwane okunyeza blend one sound odlala ngisho sound ekseni ngo3 adlala sound phezulu akuvuse ngekhoneni uyemsebenzini nawe uzoza kanjani uzofila kanjani
ngamtshela
yebo lalela ngo3 ngo6 uyangena ngo3 lo muntu ula next door ukuvusa ngekhoneni ilawo
but let's be honest mfethu
uzokwenza njani uyavuka uthathe ngasela wena
angithi mawuvuka yabo mawuvuka
udlala le ngoma yakho
usukungayizwa kahle yabo ngithi usukungayizwa kahle mawuvuka base sovukile uyezwa lana ukuthi
bani
hayi niwe ingqondo
tendala
uyakuyacha okay
hayi kise
ube bekungenyanga ngabe ngiyaphuma manje ngithi ngalali ke thina singalali
buse
but ngokudlala ingoma yakhe
aphinde 3 times lobusini
yeah
aphinde 3 times
kube setaxini local bathine local radio station
yeah
badlala ingoma yakho uhlele etaxini
how does that feel and ubona abantu bayifila and abakwazi though.
Yazi
And uyayibona lo hlela ukukhala kakhulu. Uthi utayizwe le ndawo.
yazi ukuthi uba nale feeling yokuthi uba nale feeling yokuthi ngiyafuna uku-explainela
ngabe mchazela phansi lalela yabona ukudlala lapha
mina ngeke umuntu mina angazohlanya wena awungeke seniqalile yabo seniqalile
Kuthona moyishaya nami ngayishaya.
seniqalile
Awuyazi.
usho nje ungakhale redweni
yokumemeza mhlolo yami
usho ukuthi
ngisi
ungakhale
text nehle hlolo lo mfana manga
bese kuba khona lewani yabo
Yeah.
lekwaziyo ihleli ngaphambili irealize ukuthi man ukhona la taxi uyibone sekubheka kanje uzithi ayimara le ngoma yakhe inamasimba ntwana ne
ngabe udriver ushayisa udriver umuna tata
But I think imnandi the feeling
it's nice man.
nokubuka like kadala ngibambe khona nyana nje i-residence lapha eDumba. Ngithi mangidlala i-ekhoneni lo mangichecka the way bayijayivela ngayo ba-vibe and I'm thinking hey, they don't even know ukuthi yabo
Either one. You just limaza nje.
uvele kujabule uyi-one
Yeah.
ukuthi la urealize khona ukuthi yazi sengenza amaholo
Yeah.
once yazi ukuthi abekho abantu aba-ignorant njengabantu basekhakini
Hello.
uyakwazi
Bayifuna seyithumile.
yeah but usister nami ngithukile nami le ngoma seyiphumile release lo muntu wazingama lithi release manje
Uyazi uthi
umuntu engimazi ukuthi akanandaba
uthi wami ke lo yezwa.
yeah ujaha ukuyosho lo
Lo ngithi yilo waphuma ibelela mama.
release phela nani yenzani izinto zenze ngithi okay now we are doing it.
Now you did it, you hear man. Did it, you hear?
yeah
and then there's a banger for it too.
coming up.
Coming. Hey, you guys. Yeah, good grand virtual. And it's about time, actually. Yeah, I'm going to say it. If you guys are not going to say it, it's about time, bro. German is cut out to Gwenze, or Fana Gwenze. Sele Imkonde FM Tina, my place, Econin, is it out for radio?
Yapusha cause yabo amachita nje aqale ukuyidlala ukuyipusha even.
Are you playlisted Imkonde?
Yeah.
On which one? Wait. Which playlist?
Mina I saw a video
Yeah,
ingoma
Yeah, 3 times I think.
When Imkonde FM ngubheka so guns blazing, I'm like one mistake. One.
Oh yeah, sniper.
I'm waiting for this.
Sniper.
Yeah, ngiyazi nama journalists akhona they don't share my glory. Yeah, ukubona mfethu bond pitch leli. Lenza konke right and ekumayelana nami but hayi ngobuso bami.
Yeah.
Then I researched and I checked with Rano Ban. I talked to a journalist at some corner of him. I was like, oh, it's still mad. Good to have some fun corner of him. They should let that go. Corner of him, I'm sorry, guys. I am sorry.
So insane.
Say personal and so let's keep it professional. I am sorry I said fuck you.
but
I'm sorry I said it.
but I think it was a wake up call for us sonke ama-artist phela ufake nama-artist
Yeah.
I think we wake up call for thina sonke because after nami ngibheke le podcast yabo I was like hey
Can't tell
yazi
you.
uKhadafi yabo lokuthi uKhadafi manje wasuphula amabhodlela bese uyakhumbula mari yaziqinisile ngathi selelekse kakhulu
I'm not saying what I said was recently right ebantwini.
And then my dog, the energy is real, my dog.
Uyayibona
Gave me the real
uyayibona
energy.
feedback yakhona.
Yeah, I don't fuck with you, straight up.
Yeah.
Say, you know what, type of.
Oh.
So okay, yeah, fast. Okay, podcast. I'm like, okay, chill.
but the feedback is positive
Going fast.
because siyasipana manje.
Yeah, you know what happened? You know what happened to the real cheese? I'm an artist on Mampela, Alam Khan. They all started taking Institute Time serious. Most of them. I'm not saying I have that power, but because you guys know, I'm also in that space. I'm also an artist. So once I say that, shoot me a color, I say, kodwa ngeke ngikhale ngikhomba abantu abangaphandle ngiqale la ekhaya ngisho bafethu la ekhaya asenzi kahle ngeke sitshele makhelwane ukuthi hey makhelwane ayekuloya ntambama sithumela umfene thina sithi ayombona yayibona into leyo so ngcono uqala ekhaya faka induku la ekhaya yes slow siyaphetha akulunge yabo
because mawuthi yabuka ikasi hayi siyaphusha sibaningi
bavelile nabanye sebavela hayi ukuthi
strong lonke ikasi
be careful ngikatewe be careful uzokhuluma into wrong bazo yazi impisi zibhekile
uyafika okay great into le yami angiyemkhaya ekhaya emzama lapho uthi ngiyamzonda kodwa makhuluma ngaye ngisukenza you know what happens I understand le ukuthi there's no such thing as bad publicity because once I speak fucked up things about you someone goes and research acid groups yibo laba benzani music ngiyanye lokho mamasimba ngalomchito lo same time bro omunye ifika ibona ukuthi anti laba will fuck yabo but mangikhuluma ngawe in a space like this I'm giving you shine but I'm going to because now saying means I realize it's actually but he said ngiyamzona I was like hey bro you're too young and I hate older people like you're too young for me to hate you. There's no way I hate into an talk. No way. No matter what shy one. Nyazi no matter what shy one gangai. Maris pagala saka ngisizo. Anga chickchela icho tu chickcheli. Sekumtala. We usually we choba mtala ukuthi umntwana uzoshaya iguggu kuthi hayi siyala. Bese ngihlephula la kuhleshula khona. Fast. But ke about acid groups. Sanibonga kakhulu mfethu ekhoneni. Sifisela success. Sifisa ukuthi zifike to music video to TV. Even though TV sesingathi millions views on YouTube.
On YouTube, yeah.
City following cool and companies must approach.
Yeah.
You understand? We manifest. By next year, June, Conan is gonna bring something nice for you guys. It should.
Yeah, because Yona Mauta Ibuga, it's a powerful song. Because Exeni, Svuga the comment KSP, I mean, one of the biggest artists that had a sound player. Commented, it's a good song. You know, I'm saying, like Exeni, KSP, I'm thinking, no, maybe somebody like my fake pages. Again, I'm like, oh, yeah.
Really,
So I'm like, oh, compliment the sound, yeah. Like, that was
the master.
And I was so happy for it. Because that
the masters are noticing.
That means it's hambako.
Yeah.
Makusho bona abantu abayenzayo bona. Phela thina we hijack the stuff. We ask then and explain.
Say I see a Japan and that's
inspired. Yes.
Inspired. So bona first baby nje Mukompo. Licompo is coming up. You can't run away from that. We're no longer tribal like that. Just because it's playing music, then we're not gonna. No. Licompo is coming up, and we love it. It's
sound.
And I mean that's why I was happy. But no, I wish you would die.
Yeah.
It's a good song. So I see a jabu.
We are happy.
That's wait. Me, I'm done.
We already done. Because manje ngiyayibona ukuthi ayisafuna ukukhipha amaqiniso because ngidla ngeza bephumisa yaphuma.
And benguzi
mshange truth serum la.
Bolezi serum.
Mshange truth serum uyakhipha. Manje wasaphuma amaqiniso so I think very there's nothing much for me but then
what are you hiding from H bro?
No, angithi ringi phone bosatuzana kwami ngibona ngitheka ngithi yabo le call beyivela ya manje ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu ubhekile manje uyasho ukuthi wena
okay angiyithola
yes isumozo uyabo bayangazi ukuthi ngiyanyanya nje once kanyanya nje and futhi into emnandi ngami ngiyakhuluma once ngakhuluma I'm done. Ngiyophinda ungizwe ukuthi sengibambela inhliziyo ini ngizokutshela yazi oh boy this angithandi done.
Phelela
Wena kusasa uzobuya umlomo ungaka ngingeni mina le angisekho kule yakho. Tshelile lento bengifuna ukutshela yona yabo. So manje ngiyazi ukuthi beka ngikhuze. Noma ile yakho leyo ukuthi ugcine so ukuthi ngagcina ngihamba nomuntu. ngazi noma seyiyo indeyo ukuthi kuthiwa
Hayi lutho
Yeah.
lutho.
Kuthiwa beware.
yewe
Lutho madam. I know. Thank you for Sebonga. Thank you for coming. We really appreciate Scott saying bafethu.
ebonga thina
Thank you for blessing us. You know. Episode 4, right?
Went forth already.
ebonga thina sagcina nini ukuvela ku TV
Nagcina ay nagcina lokuya.
Hey, leyana le. Hey, yeah.
Le fethu must take economy to the top.
Yeah, no, I
Yeah, 40. Let's put the 40 energy. Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu kuba nathi no support no church kuba ndisenzayo. We see you. Wavy Gang in the building, shining out. Angazi kanjani we-H.
That's it for today's show. City Gloops in the building.
Yeah, man.
Yes, abafikile and then amaqiniso aphumile. Amanye amaqiniso bewavalekile behind the shades, but then you know, I never lie, but then you chose to keep them, you know. Ngisakhuluma next podcast.
Hey, etshela baba. Bona-ke lintelana ngivisithe China somehow yabona.
Oh yeah.
Yabona
Yeah. Tokyo Gang.
But then, any last words, words of wisdom or anything, motivation, what, to anyone who's watching?
okubalulekile bafethu ukuthi singakhohlwa nge-15 so besikhonaza lapha ku Full Moon
Dome experience.
ngizwile Brian Mosho ukuthi akugodola umuntu akunethwa umuntu waphinde wasuyaphahlaza nawe wena vele bevela unganethwa
Akuna kuyenzeka.
H Media. Media H.
The E-world.
That's that.
Yeah, but otherwise, it's pushing, it's collaborate.
Yeah.
You can't do this alone.
Yeah.
Yabona.
And you
Yabona
shouldn't.
amakasabaya boSoweto in they work together.
sorry bafethu ngiyabona amaSoweto ngiyabona amakasabaya le ndawo le esenza umusic wayo nikena notice ukuthi babambene blind kanjani isho legama
Limb.
Oh, limbs.
yeah ngene ngisho njalo elim yeah
Yeah, it's limbs.
ukubona ukuthi babambene kanjani
Ngathi bandawonye.
yazi labantu basupportana yazi masingaba naloyo moya yabo kungabi nokuthi ngoba kudlala ukekho ngizothi
Sidlala ba.
akadlale ke kodwa naye ngoba I should be the one ojumpa kakhulu angi-artist mina ngithi angijumpe kakhulu kube yimogcumgcula bonke abantu balani bathi lo ojabuleni artist nalaba abanye bazothi kusho ukuthi i-energy kumele siyilethe
I think lapho sisondele yazibuke performing artist in a place where it's difficult for Tina as artists. We out there dancing as if
we have to man.
And not because we're pretending, because we understand and we love
Yeah,
the
we
song.
understand. Yeah, good kwenzakalana. But a lot of people basase naleso struggle so good. This thing yama performance is yabo bafuna inamba nje.
Yeah, that's that number. We don't want to be looking at one direction.
Yabo.
Man, somehow abantu
But
they
bayabuya manje yabona ukuthi
yavuleka manje.
Yeah, mina ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu bosister bochiwe.
Lezo zinasikhathi.
Yabo bafutha back abantu
Baby,
abantu understand the game, supporters now.
Baby, we forgot to rapper ngezwa nix. Baby. Koala. Amantombazane mfana ngeke.
Izolo I was watching lapha.
Yeah.
Labantu bazile ngoma ama lyrics njengoba njalo.
Yeah.
Hamba kubo CD.
Yes.
Awungani phela phela. Why should you go?
What you know what you shake, stay focused.
Yeah.
Focus on what you know.
But bosister bafetha cha yabona ba.
Baby. Khohla ngabo baby.
Power.
Siyabonga bo baby.
Yes. We thank you.
Biggest supporters of the game.
Ay. Ma ingoma ehithi uzobona ngamantombazane.
Yeah.
Exactly true.
We out. The Wavy Gang is out. Papaini. See you on the next one.
Yeah.
Mshini basara koteni izwa tseliane. Into enza ngicha.
Different.